Hi, my name's Joe. Doing a little short video here. When I decided to mount my EG4 batteries on the wall, there wasn't very much information on how to do it, so I'm going to show you here how I did it. I got my bottom batteries here. This one here has to go up on here. I went and bought these brackets. I got 4 of them here bolted on the wall. They're supposed to hold like 200 pounds a piece. I don't know if I believe that or not, but I put 4 of them there and I got them lag bolted on there like that. It's a 2x6 wall, 16-inch on center studs there. These brackets up here, they hold the battery pretty good themselves, but I wouldn't trust them completely. I had these bottom batteries, 2 of them setting up off the ground. I wound their feet up and let them hang on there overnight, and they did okay. I mean, it's too much for the bracket though. You need something else. So I put them on there. I got my one Flexboss on there. Other Flexboss is ready to go up. Another thing you have to do, these batteries set tight against the wall and that bracket's a little bit in the way there. So what you have to do is cut this little piece here off the bottom. It was right there. You have to cut that off. I cut it off with a sawzall, but that'll allow it to fit against the wall. That's what holds the straps so you can lift them out of the packaging when you get them. But I wanted to share this little video. I'll give you another clip here as soon as I get them up on there. Okay, we got them up on the wall here. It actually went a lot easier than what I thought it would. This one here on the end, it's actually, I had it setting on its feet. It wasn't setting on the wall mount at all. So them angle do hold it just by themselves, but then I went and put some weight on the wall mount. I screwed them feet back in a little bit. I wanted to make sure that they would hold it and these weren't going to come off the wall in any chance here. But they're all up there and stuff. If you're going to do this yourself, you need at least 2 men and a strong boy to do it. Them things are really heavy. I cheated, as you can see by all the mud I got on the floor here, that I brought my skid steer in here. I moved my wife's toy out of the garage here and brought the skid steer in, and we lifted them up with a skid steer. I put the forks underneath them. It was pretty easy. Me and my boy did it. But okay, there's how we mounted our batteries on the wall.